Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create an Apple account previously called Apple ID using any web browser. So first of all, open any browser you want. Now go to account.apple.com. This is Apple's official and secure website, so make sure the URL is correct. On the home page, tap on the three lines on the upper right corner and look for the option called Create Your Apple Account. And after that you will see a form. Now you have to fill this very carefully. First enter your real name, then select the country where you currently live. After that select your actual date of birth. This is important because Apple uses this for account recovery. And after that enter a valid email address. This email will become your Apple account username. And after that you have to create a strong password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. And now select your country code and enter a working mobile number that can receive SMS or voice calls. This is required for identity verification and two-factor authentication. Now select text message as your verification option. After that, make sure these two boxes are checked. After that, write down the code shown in the upper picture. Once the code is entered correctly, tap on continue to move to the next step. Now Apple will send a 6-digit code to your email. So check your inbox and enter the code on the website. Next, Apple will send another verification code to your mobile number. So enter that code as well. Once both codes are verified, congratulations, your Apple account is now ready. You can now sign into iCloud, App Store, Apple Music, and all other Apple services. And that's it for today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.